Hey
everyone, thanks for tuning in. In the past few years, Google has seriously improved the integration of all the apps in the Google ecosystem by adding this sidebar to the Gmail window. This sidebar basically allows you to open Google Calendar, Google Keep Notes, and Google Tasks right from Gmail. In addition, this sidebar is also available in the other Google apps. For example, you'd have access to your tasks in your calendar, or you'd have access to Keep Notes, Task, and Calendar in a Google Doc or a Google Sheet. So essentially, you have integration of all of their essential apps just from one window. But let's say you use a program that's not part of Google's ecosystem. Well, this little plus sign underneath these icons will allow you to add additional add-ons to Google so that you can use information within the Google ecosystem outside in other apps. So for example, there's a Zoom plugin that allows you to quickly create Zoom meetings either from emails or right from your calendar. I've actually never used this, but it's pretty highly rated. I've used the Trello add-on, which is great. That allows you to take an email and quickly add it as a card into any of your boards in Trello. You can take an email and send it to a channel in Slack. You can take an email and turn it into an Asana task. There's even a add-on for Evernote, so you can take any content from your email and quickly turn that to something in Evernote. So I definitely recommend taking a look through some of these add-ons because without these, you'd have to sort of exit the Google ecosystem and then enter things into whatever third-party app you're using. With this, it's all integrated and it works with everything, which is great. So thus far, I've tried Trello, I've tried Asana, and I've tried Slack. I've also tried the add-on for ToDoist, and it works really, really well. I haven't tried the Evernote or the Zoom, but I'll certainly play around with some of these, and I'll update you all with what I find out. But definitely recommend you check this out, and if you find any really great add-ons, definitely throw it in the comments below. So that's all I've got for you today. Thanks so much for tuning in. As always, hit that subscribe button. I release new tech tips every weekday at noon, and check out the DAE.com for our full list of online workshops, classes, private lessons, and summer camp. And if you have an idea for a tech tip you'd like to see me create, throw it in the comments and I'll do my best. Thanks and have a great day.